Breaking news: Samsung Galaxy S23 could have a flatter display and a 50 megapixel mode for its new 200 megapixel camera. Yet more Samsung Galaxy S23 details have leaked, and the latest nuggets of information may be good news for potential Galaxy S23 Ultra owners who don't like Samsung's use of curved displays and who like having maximum control over their photography. The new design information comes from experienced leaker Ice Universe, who shows us the newer, blockier top-down profile of the Galaxy S23 Ultra and of the existing Galaxy S22 Ultra. He also includes a handy diagram showing how the two phones will apparently compare. As a large phone, the Galaxy S23 Ultra benefits from having rounded sides that helps users hold it comfortably and access all areas of the display. A more squared-off body could be cause for concern if it makes the phone less ergonomic, but perhaps it will be a worthwhile trade-off if it makes the curve of the display more supple, as the diagram seems to show. Many users prefer flat displays, particularly when using a stylus such as the built-in S Pen that comes with the S22 Ultra and will most likely appear with the S23 Ultra too. The second new Galaxy S23 detail also comes from Ice Universe and shows what's implied to be part of the Samsung camera app, with two buttons offering 3:4 200 megapixel and 50 megapixel modes. We have already heard the rumors of Samsung's new 200 megapixel main camera for the Ultra model, but previously sources thought there wouldn't be a 50 megapixel mode. That would have been unfortunate, since 50 megapixel offers a middle ground between the full 200 megapixel resolution and the more colorful and brighter default resolution, likely 12.5 megapixel like other 200 megapixel camera phones. But if 50 megapixel is indeed going to be a third resolution option that will allow Galaxy S23 Ultra users more freedom to shoot images in maximum detail, maximum brightness, or somewhere in between. The other major rumored change for the Galaxy S23 Ultra is it will get a new chipset, likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, from what we have heard. That chip is rumored for the basic Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus 2, with these cheaper models also tipped for a new Galaxy S22 Ultra inspired design and improved selfie cameras. We will likely see the Galaxy S23 series early next year, looking at Samsung's last few years of Galaxy S launches. The current crop of rumors suggests we will see the phones much earlier than usual, though, with the possibility of a launch in mid-January.